Now guys, before we start with this crash test, I'd like to do a giveaway. You can win this PS4 Pro in white. Guys, before I start to mention what you have to do, I'd like to say that the PS4 giveaway with the jet black version is over, and I will announce the winner these days on Instagram, as I said, on this giveaway. So good luck to all, but now you have the chance to win this PS4 Pro in white. Beautiful device, of course guys, completely new. And yes, you guys are amazing these days. My channel is so big now. We have nearly 800,000 subscribers. That's amazing. And yes, so I will do now this giveaway. And now I say you what you have to do. First step is like this video, then subscribe Wirte test and make sure that the notifications are on. Then the third step is subscribe my second channel, Wow Experiments. Guys, I will also upload some experiments there. So also subscribe this channel and also make sure that the notifications are on this channel. Link of this channel is in the description below. Next step is follow Wirte test on Instagram and like on Facebook. And the last point is write a comment with the words pick me. Yes guys, that was all the steps to win this PS4. I will check after the giveaway if you did all the steps correctly, and then you are able to win this PS4, guys. So now we go on with this experiment. I'm so excited, guys. Let's do that.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridges that I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I stand still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Fearless.
And yes guys, it was my video with the RC helicopter and the car. Guys, I hope you like this video, and as always, thumbs up for new crash tests, and